Tax season. Sorry, it is heating up now, folks. In many cases, the IRS is they're going to begin accepting and then processing taxes towards the end of this month. And look, there are some changes to tax laws that you're going to need to know about before you file. Matt Venezia, live from our First Alert desk, looking at a few of them for us this morning. Matt, good morning.
Hey Matt, good morning. The one big beautiful bill, right? If we remember, it was signed into law back on July 4th of last year. So changes to current tax laws back then, as well as new tax laws, they're set to go into effect here this filing season, one of which regards some of the activity here behind me, betting and as well as sports gambling. Gambling losses have been tax deductible in the past, but this time around, gamblers will be limited to receiving a 90% deduction on qualified losses. To receive this deduction, you must list out your winnings as income in a Schedule A form. So if you happen to be, a frequent bettor, you might have to list out all those different bets you have to be able to be eligible here. So that might be a more important necessity here moving forward as you begin here at 2026 in this month of January. So we'll put an example out here for you. If in a given year you won $10,000 gambling, but you had $11,000 in your losses would be limited to the amount that you won. So in this case, that would be $10,000. So here, this year now, the change here, those $10,000 of qualified losses will be further reduced to 90% of your losses. So that would be just $9,000. So while you lost more than you won, recognizing winning income, it's mandatory on your tax return. That would be just $10,000 in this example. You may have already started, again, receiving those text messages, maybe those emails reminding you of the upcoming tax season. So before you sit down, get the calculator out, get all the filing going here. If you're a gambler, at least, you might want to make note of these changes. Matt.
Matt Venezia live for us this morning. Appreciate it.